Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be opening up this Amazon tablet. It does not work. So I was like, you know what? After all these years that I've had it, it just doesn't work. So let's try to open it up and see what's inside of it. And it'll be fun. It'll be very it'll be very exciting to see what's inside. And this way we can kind of fulfill the curiosity between us, so we could just see what's inside of this. So stick next to the channel and we will find out. It's in really good shape, but it just doesn't work. For some reason it doesn't turn on anymore. It's in really good shape. I've had it for many years. Focuses so I can show you guys around it. See, it is in pretty good shape. No scratches, no anything. But yeah, just crapped out, so I think it's time to go. It'll be fun to see what's inside of here, and yeah, let's see. But before anything, you guys have to leave in the comments. Let me know what are your thoughts as to what would be the next device that we should open up, that you guys are curious to see. I have older phones, Razors, Sidekicks, Android phones. Yeah, we should be able to see what's inside of these devices. We're not hurting anyone, so at least they're just not, yeah, they don't work, so it's the best time to do it. Durability test right here. So we will get this going in a minute, and it'll be fun, so let's get to it. So let's see. Very durable. Talk about durability. I'm hitting this thing with a hammer. It doesn't even do much. So, oh, yep, it certainly did. And we will open it up and see what's inside. But so far, this is what's going on. So let's keep at it. Okay, so update. I managed to open up the back, and yeah, this is what the back looks like. Wow. Put the light on so we can see better. Look at this. Battery itself, big battery, and we are going to dive into the internals. But this is what it is so far. Let's see. Let me see if I can open it up more. Let's see if we can take a look at. Wow. Look at all the components inside of this. Okay, guys, look at this. The screen is coming apart. We're gonna keep diving into this. Okay, So, more updates. Let's see. We're being careful. It's like a paper film. Look at the frame itself coming apart. See, now we're taking the battery off of this. And look at the battery coming off. And this is the battery itself. So we got a few pieces, the battery, the screen. Wow. Screen itself. Look at this. And this came off the screen itself. Look at that. Wow. All these pieces. Not bad, huh? So, this is where we're going to wrap it up. And at least we were able to open this up and see what's inside. Look at the terminals for the battery. Pretty cool, huh? So guys, if you guys like the content, like, share, and subscribe. And let me know what the other device you guys want me to open up, and we'll continue. It's fun seeing all this stuff. It really is very different from your normal average review. Well guys, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one.